A lot of people say that the DJI FPV drone is not the real FPV quad. Then if it's not a FPV quad, tell me what it is. It works with the same principles. You have the goggles, remote controller, and the quad all paired. So if it's not a FPV quad, tell me what it is. I think that people were already in this hobby since like the first days feel threatened by it because it's going to open the doors of the FPV world to brand new people who know nothing about it and who will not have to solder and assemble all the PCs and configure and tune the quad in beta flight. So I think this DJI FPV is just going to attract more people to a niche, and I truly believe that some people are like, man, when we started that FPV thing we had to struggle, so why is DJI making it like easier for everyone to get into this hobby? I think that's the mentality behind that. I honestly believe that this DJI FPV quad is just a new competitor who has no equivalent on the marketplace. So after almost 1 year, I love it. I love the way it looks. It's easy to start and to charge batteries. I love all its assistance, like return to home and all those stuff. I can land in normal mode, and just to sum this up, I honestly don't regret it, and I'm glad I got it. Cheers.